So Shiba Inu whales, Robinhood and Shibarium, what is going on, and is the price of Shiba Inu about to explode very, very soon? Well, a lot of people are expecting some very positive price movement on SHIB as well as Bone, but if you watch my live streams and keep up to date on this channel, you might be able to bag some of this pretty cheap before the next big leg up. What are we talking about? Well, we're going to break it down for you all in this video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's take a quick look at what's going on. So I talked a little bit about Bone yesterday on my live stream, currently trending off that 200 EMA. I do expect this to push down even further. 103 could be your opportunity to buy, and whales are knowing this. So what do we get? A massive Shiba Inu whale moves 4.6 trillion SHIB from an unknown wallet to another unknown wallet. Now, we already know that there has been significant staking on the Shibarium ecosystem. 1.44 million has been locked up in its first week, with over 440,000 wallets just in a single week, which shows the absolute adoption when it comes to this. But like I said, this wallet here says new data from whale surveying platform Whale Alert reveals that an anonymous deep-pocketed SHIB investor abruptly shifted a staggering 4.6 trillion tokens worth about $38 million from an unknown wallet to another unknown wallet. Now, we do know obviously everything is up and functioning on the Shibarium network, and we do know that whales have been exiting exchanges as well as retail moving across to that Shibarium network, and that's why we are seeing this huge amount locked up, 150,000 newly registered crypto wallets in a single day. And when we talk about scalability and we talk about adoption, that's the sort of numbers you want to be looking at when it comes to SHIB. Massive adoption, huge whales holding the price, moving on to the blockchain as well. And total transactions here, 600,000, affirming a high demand for the Shibarium ecosystem. So that's fantastic news for anyone holding SHIB, likewise for anyone holding Bone. Very good news in the absolute short term, but long term, I think it gets even more interesting. Now, there is a link over on the description. Check it out. If you want to get yourself $50 worth of free futures bonuses on Get.io, I've partnered up with them where you can trade SHIB, Bone, as well as many other cryptocurrencies. It's totally free. Again, sign up, KYC2, and you can sign up and trade on Get.io. The link is in the description, so definitely for sure check that out. Now, what else have we got? Robinhood. We talked about Robinhood a while back, the third largest Bitcoin wallet. Well, they have been on a shopping spree, namely 20 trillion Shiba Inu. Absolutely insane. Massive amounts in their portfolios. They continue to accumulate lots of SHIB, and they accumulate cryptocurrency. Why? Well, they know what's coming. The reality here is these exchanges, we've seen it with Binance, we've seen it with MEXC, where they are accumulating cryptocurrency right now because they know what's coming. Robinhood, absolutely the same. And again, this tweet coming out from Arkham says our identification of Robinhood, the owner of the third largest Bitcoin wallet, was wildly covered, but most coverage missed that we also identified them as the owner of the fifth largest Ethereum wallet, holding 2.54 billion of Ethereum. So Robinhood really stacking the coins right now ahead of what could be a pretty big cryptocurrency move. So with all that being said, again, Shiba Inu absolutely being at the forefront of what a lot of people talk about. We can take a look at the ecosystem, because I do think it's interesting when you fully look into the SHIB.io ecosystem, and in particular that layer 2 for Shibarium. We can still see that we have these validators upholding the network, and we're still waiting for this to build out. But look, 12 validators currently holding it. But look at this. This is the number that we're all interested in. There is massive amounts of Bone being staked on the network. We are also seeing transactions go through, albeit we still know that this is scaled. We still know this has been restricted, and we still expect this to be around 2 million transactions a day. It gives us a massive amount of volume. And when it comes to volume, what does that ultimately mean? We burn Shiba Inu, and that has to be a good thing if you ask me. Now, taking a look at the price, we took a look at Bone, but SHIB, it did break under that 8 that we talked about, currently came down, tested that 788 line, bounced off on its way back up again, but market sentiment overall is pretty poor today, and equally for the last few days, as we see them big sell-offs. We saw ETFs have been put back. We equally saw all the gains from Grayscale being removed as well, but SHIB down at the 800s. So if you're looking to pick up some pretty decent buys right now, Bone and SHIB definitely would be on my shopping list. However, I do think you're going to be able to get them a little bit cheaper. Follow me on Twitter to keep up to date with everything that we talk about in the markets. And if you want to grab some of these trades, then certainly check out Get.io, and equally join my live stream 4 p.m. Eastern. We take the charts and we understand what our trades are, currently this week. We're one of the top traders on Fairdesk as well. So definitely check those out. But SHIB Bone, looking pretty bullish. Lots of adoption, lots of volume. It's coming around the corner. Let me know in the comments though down below. Have you staked your bone? I'm very interested to know, and that's not a trick question for anyone who are thinking it is. But as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like Shiba Inu content. Smash a like. That's how I know that you enjoy this stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.